Now, as the fall semester quickly approaches, the big question for many students is if and when UL Lafayette will make COVID-19 vaccines mandatory.
News 15's Kenny Dar spoke with the president and CEO of the University of Louisiana System. Kenny, what can you tell us?
President and CEO of the University of Louisiana System, Jim Henderson, says they do plan on making the COVID-19 vaccine a requirement.
We did ask the Board of Regents, as the key entity working with the Louisiana Department of Health, to prepare to add the COVID-19 vaccine to the list of mandated vaccines.
However, Henderson says they will require students to get the COVID-19 vaccine only after the FDA approves them for full use.
Right now, it's under emergency use authorization, and so it's highly problematic, if not forbidden, for a public entity to mandate the vaccine.
The state legislature recently passed a bill that bans state agencies, including public universities, from discriminating against people based on their vaccination status while the vaccines are still under emergency use. But once the FDA approves them for full use, there will still be exceptions.
That still come with the exceptions, right? If it's contraindicated for a medicinal reason, if you have a religious or philosophical opposition to that, you still have those exceptions available.
College-age students between 18 and 29 account for less than 11% of vaccinated people in Louisiana. Henderson says he believes it's in part due to that demographic being less impacted by the virus, adding that it will be a game changer once the vaccines are approved for full use.
And that full use authorization, that testament from the Food and Drug Administration that they've gone through all of their safety protocols, we think that's going to be the game changer, and the vast majority of people will end up getting vaccinated at that point.
Henderson says the 9 institutions that make up the University of Louisiana System are excited to get back to some sense of normalcy in the near future. Ladies, back to you.
Thanks, Kenny. Now, Moderna and Pfizer have both recently applied for full use authorization from the FDA, but the approval is unlikely to happen in time for the upcoming fall semester.